Hey everyone, it's Jennine, your local realtor here in the Sherwood Park and Edmonton area. Today I'm going to be going over what's been happening with the Sherwood Park market for the month of November. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so for November, we had a dip in sales, a dip in price. We still don't have too much inventory, but overall things aren't taking as long as say, for example, in the city to sell. So let's take a look at the price chart kind of right now. So we are still above where we were at the beginning of the year. And as you can tell, so this is January. We jumped up quite a bit in the spring and then dipped down a little bit again. So let's just take a look at some of the numbers a little closer. So a reminder, this is single family homes in Sherwood Park. Single family homes can be anything like detached homes, duplexes, townhomes without condo boards. So anything that's not a part of a condo. So overall, we still have not much inventory in Sherwood Park, more than what we have seen, but it's still pretty low. We've seen a dip in price month to month, but we are still higher compared to last year's price at $440 or $455. This year we're at $475. So what does all this mean? As a buyer, this is the time where you can find a deal in Sherwood Park. Everything is pretty much going below list price. There's not nearly as much competition. There's a little bit more inventory, and you want to get that deal before the spring market. So let's take a look again. Look at this chart. So we were at January here, and then the price got higher and higher and higher during the spring. So if you can do it now, then you could potentially avoid the spring market. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody has a crystal ball. We can't predict the future, but I do think it's going to be busier than expected in the spring just because of all the relocation here. There's a lot of people planning to move here from out of province. We are still one of the most affordable places in Canada, so it does make a really attractive option. So if you're a buyer and you can make it work, now is a great time to find those deals. What does it mean for if you're a seller? So if you're thinking of selling, now is a good time to get your house prepped and ready. Prep it in the month of January and list right at the end, and you will start to see the spring market. So now's a good time to get your plans into place and figure out what you're going to do. Okay, let's take a look at the condo market in Sherwood Park. So the condo market, again, can be anything, even detached homes if they're part of condo board. But usually it's like apartment style townhomes and duplexes. So overall, less sales, but a slight increase in average selling price and more inventory. So let's take a look at the price chart. With the condo market, it's usually kind of up and down, which is very kind of similar to the city as well in Edmonton. Let's take a look at the numbers a little closer. So really there wasn't many sales in the condo market. There is quite a bit of inventory. So if you are looking at purchasing, again, there are deals out there. So average price has increased month to month and compared to last year as well. So last year we were at $288 and this year we are at $312. So overall, everything kind of comes down to your own personal situation and what you're ready for and what makes sense for you. So if you want to discuss the market and how it relates to you, let me know. I'm always happy to help. And until next time, see you.